Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to learn how to construct a Mercedes symbol in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. So this will be the front view. You can see here front view. Take the circle command. Take center point circle. Select the center point. Make a circle dia of 50 mm. Enter. Now here we are going to take the polygon. So at last we have the polygon. Here we will select three sides. So this will be a triangle. We will select the center point and make a straight triangle. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint. Select this center point of triangle and select the center. So this is aligned. Now escape. Now here select this complete. Make it construction geometry. Now here we'll click on construction once again. So all the profiles which we'll make now will be in construction geometry. Now go to polygon once again, click here to activate. Now select the center point and make a reverse triangle this time. Okay. Now select the center once again and make one small triangle in the center and escape. So we have here three triangles. Okay, you can see here this is fully constrained. The sketch should be fully constrained here. Now we are going to make the inner profile of the symbol. Go to line command and select this center point of big triangle and select the center of the smallest triangle. Okay, now escape. Now here select this line which we have constructed, switch off the construction geometry. Okay, and here double click this. So this will switch off this construction for other parts also. Go to line, make one joining line till this outer. Now from here select this inner triangle midpoint and here select here. From here we will select the inner and from here we will select till this point. Now escape. Now you can see the profile. We have started from the biggest triangle and we have a point on this smallest triangle, then big, then small, then big, then small, and this last will be big. Now finish sketch. Here go to extrude. We will take symmetric extrude and here we will define the dimension as 5.3 mm. So this will be 5.3 mm extrude and press OK. Now go to chamfer. Here we are going to take chamfer of 2.65. Select this edge, select this, select here, this and this. Okay. So we have selected all the edges. Okay. We have selected. This is will be unselected. Only this face edges will be selected. Okay. Now apply. Now similarly we will do with the back side. Select this, select this, select this, select this, this and this. Okay. Okay. This time also a reverse, select this. Okay. Go to home. Now we have selected the back side. Press OK. So we have made the inner profile. Now go to 2D sketch. Go to origin. Again we will select the XY plane. Here. Now go to circle command. And here go to view. Go to visual style. Change it to wireframe. We will select the center point. Select the center. Make a diameter here of 50. Okay. And here from this center make one diameter here of 48. Okay. So it will cover this profile. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Here we will take symmetric and we will define here the dimension of 3 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges and press OK. Okay. So this will be the profile. Now here, go to the fillet command and take a fillet of 2 mm, or you can define it as 0.5. Select this edge, rotate, select this edge and select this edge and press OK. Go to home. Now we will define the appearance. From here we will take the chrome polished, click here chrome polished. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a Mercedes company symbol in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.